Yes.
So they don't have effects
On the other body. Yes. No, we have all manner of gadgets now, especially in the medical world. We have CT scan, we have all manner MRI, all those stuff that if you just lie down and they scan you, everything about you will be showing on the screen. Everything. The movement, go to that something, go up, 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 up. The movement of the nanoparticle is being monitored all through the body. You see that robots, that nanorobots. Yeah, go back here, down again. I think there's one up, down. Here, see these nanorobots. This nanorobots, see it. Now look at this one. Now this is blood vessel. This is just blood vessel. And look at we want to target a particular place here. This is the cancer cell. This blue one are the cancer cells. The black ones here are the nanoparticles. And all of them, they are within the blood vessel. So how do we target these cancer cells? We place the external magnetic field outside the location. Intravenously, you introduce the nanoparticle. And they are flowing all through the blood stream. But this will help to guide them. The moment they sense this, they move towards it. They move towards it through monitoring. Through monitoring, because all of them will gather at these sites. So it will become much more effective. That's what we call drug delivery. Targeted drug delivery. Targeted. It must be targeted. Drug delivery. So that's what it answers. If you look at this one, this is the nanorobot. It can be monitored through an external control. You just monitor it until it gets to the what? To the strands or the cells where the cancerous source is being developed. Then you will just position it there. Then, it's carrying nano drug. Cancer drugs. It will just be there and it will just dissolve there at that site. There's no way that drug will not be effective compared to when it scatters all over the body. Within few days, the work will be much more effective. That's the excellence. So it is highly monitored from the beginning to the end. Highly monitored. Yeah, they are made of nanomaterials and they are made of coating materials that are dissolvable. Okay? These are coating materials that are dissolvable. Just like you take your, this capsule. Capsule. If you open your capsule, you see the drug inside. But it's coated with something, am I right? If you put your capsule in your tongue, what will happen? It will melt. Exactly. But the moment you take the capsule, if you just put water and put it and swallow it, it will go, right? Exactly. So they are made of coating materials that are water soluble. Once they get to the environment that is water soluble, they will just dissolve and release the drug. Prof, come. I think our guy is around. Please, let's introduce. Oh, wonderful. Welcome, Prof. Welcome, Prof.
In fact, I was highly overwhelmed because personally, I'm conducting research on tumor and cancer. But the major problem is that, when cancer is in tumor stage, it is localized.
Yes.
It's easier to use targeted drugs. But when it comes to benign cancer,
Yeah.
which has spread
All over the body.
and this is the major problem
Yes,
that's
yes.
in the area of cancer research. I'm so happy that the approach is from nanotechnology in the sense that it is targeting it from the subatomic level. Because many researchers don't do research on subatomic level, maybe because it involves a lot of brain work and all
Yes.
those things. So
Yes.
they prefer demographic one, where you just get data in the field and all those sorts of things. I'm happy that this area is very, very good. The only thing you people have to do now is to make sure that these materials that are needed, how available are they in Nigeria? I know that some of the nanoparticles that are going to be produced, they are available in Nigeria, so you should do some thorough research to know where they are available, so that will be another way of providing resources for Nigeria in the future. And we need to work very hard in the area of nanotechnology, because I remember there will be a program with Anchor that was 2010 on nanotechnology, but by then not too many people know about it. But today it is the saving grace in the area of cancer research, but that was the most difficult research you can have in the world. After cancer, you have Alzheimer's disease, which is a very big problem. So it's a very important. So I think we need to crack on it. My own is that I'll be very happy that many of the Nigerians can specialize in this area. Because when we are talking about global rating, those ratings that are higher, they have to have something with nanotechnology, which very few Nigerians are in that area. So it's a very good one. Let's clap for
Thank you, Prof. Thank you, Prof. Very grateful, sir.
Okay, Prof, I think you can please see other questions first. The question I want to ask actually was this: you target the drug, and it will be usually when it is in burning, that is not spread down.
Yes.
But I mean,
Tumor stage.
But in burning, it spread throughout the blood, all
Yes,
over the body.
it's true.
Spread through the nerve system in the body. How can you target?
Yeah, in that case, I think chemotherapy will work better. Chemotherapy will work better because it's all over the body.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you will remove the external magnetic field.
Yes.
Release your nanoparticle that can spread through the entire system, then don't target it. So the external magnetic field will not be there.
Yes. Then another thing is that, is it not possible, because these are research problems,
Yes.
that even if you can look at all around the body and able to identify a local spot where you can target this thing and solve problems.
Yeah, it's possible. That's why, at times, cancers, they are majorly they are localized at times.
Yes.
Cancer of the lung, cancer of the kidney, cancer of this, cancer of that. They are mostly localized. They just see them, the particular. Hardly can you see a cancer that will just be all over, but it's common. Except leukemia here, that one now flow through the blood. That's in the blood. It will just be flowing all through. Yes, except that one. Yes, but the other one.
Even though it's spread all over the body, if we can identify
A spot.
to target, and if you hit it at that point and kill it, then all other ones are killed. It's just like human being. If you slaughter a human being, automatically all other things if you can.
Yeah, it's possible, but because they are working with blood streams all over the body. So once they dilute, they have diffused into the bloodstream. It will be difficult, and except you have to siphon all the blood and pump in another one. Yes, that's what is going. I think one governor is facing the challenge now. One of our governors. Yes. One of our governors is facing it now. Leukemia. Ondo State governor. Thank you, sir. He's facing the challenge now. So you have to drain the entire blood and beginning to introduce new blood, because all the blood has been polluted with the cancer cells. They have to drain it and introduce new one, which is very difficult. We don't have the technology. Thank you, Prof.
People should work hard in that area. If we publish
Thank you. Thank you, Prof.
I think for a session, we still have the floor afterwards. We're going to go into work. He has mentioned that all of the journals saw has an impact factor of over 10. So that's quite huge, you know. So we are going to go into groups. Now, we already have a group form.
Yes.
But we're going to get the groups decentralized.
Okay.
We don't have time. We just have to start work.
Okay.
We're going to review 200.
Then,
For Professor Chifu, he was like 50, right? Yeah.
see, they must,
So that's the range.
they must work.
So
Everybody must work.
we're going to see how we can provide more things to make things more consistent. Yesterday you got 5 gig data. Have you all gone through your data? What's that? Check your check. Let's check your data, not the balance of data. It's how many places have got to MTN? Okay. MTN. Just 2. Okay, so let's check your except you use glue. Use glue as offset. We are using glue. Start what? Start 323 hash.
To check, right?
Check, yes.
3, 2.
Blue assault. Yeah, okay, please have issue. So please you can switch to MTN. Or if you have Airtel, still give me Airtel. So it's the provider that has the issue, not us. Yeah. And then Prof also you will get your data and also tell the Prof. So you get your also.
It's okay. It's okay.
So I think we can just have you gotten the groups ready now?
Yes, we have 3 groups already.
You don't have to make noise.
No. There's no. We are here to work.
Yes.
Serious
So,
work.
Prof, you have the floor.
It's okay.
We can just move to the next.
It's okay. So if any further question about this, if there's no further, okay. Okay. Yes. The toxicity is taken care of. We are going to conduct what we call about toxicity of the material. Yes, we carry out the toxicity processes, which we normally do. If I give you some of my articles, you will see the processes of the biotoxicity. We conduct it, make sure that it's safe before we go ahead of production. This 10 one, this one, I will give it to you. Once you just include me in your group, I'll forward it to the group. You can just access it to your group. I have other one that I will add to it, other review work, publish, we publish together. Just create a group. I hope everybody has created a group. Each group, have you created your group? You have my number, right? My number, who's creating your group? Write my number in your group so that you can add me. 080, my number, 080 6395 080 6395 7679 080 6395 7679 7679 6395 7679. Do you have Dr. Lewis' number? My number is 080 6395 7679. So just put your title, just name it NMC group underscore group 1, okay? NMC underscore group 2, NMC underscore group 3, so that it will be unique, okay? NMC underscore group 1, group 2, group 3. So if you have let me check, Dr. Lewis' number you had Prof. Fabian's too. Okay, group 1 has created, good. Okay, this is Prof number, Professor Fabian. Zero eight zero. Are you there? Professor Fabian's number 080 36 23 92 14. 080 36 23 92 14. That's Professor Fabian. Then, Dr. Lewis, okay, call Dr. Lewis' number. Are we all there? So group 1, I can see you. So group 2, create your own. Group 3, create your own. Then we're beginning to work. So get your topic. If you want to do it in energy, you are free. Just choose something you can do within these 2 weeks that is researchable. Just you can as well get, let me check. I can send to you now some of the review work. So in your group, you can begin to suggest what topic you think. If you are online now, just bring suggestions, trying to align the topic. And once you have the topic, you can create subtopic under it. So you can create it, then you can select which one you write, then give them the liberty to select. Then the team leader will be the one that will coordinate it. So we want to see the output before next week. The way we draw the program now, I think we want to fine tune it, then we'll print it. The program, okay, let me read it for you. What we want to do now. By, or not before Wednesday, the group leader will present it to us, what you have done. That's what we are going to use to grade you. It's an assignment. That's your assignment now. We're going to grade you. The group leader will present it. We're going to judge you here, what you have done in your group. So we have the panel. So that's your assignment. Assignment number 1 to group 1 to group 2. So on Wednesday, there will be presentation of what you have done. We want to see how far you have gone with your work. You're going to present to us, line by line, what you have done. That is on Wednesday. So prepare to us. It's going to be a rigorous work, rigorous one. Once we do it very well, we are good to go. We are going to publish it. So I will forward this article to you now. I'm out of network now. I cannot connect. I wanted to connect my.
So you have sent, have you sent it to them?
Yes, I want to connect to my laptop. So my laptop is not sensing my data.
It's the network provider. Prof have to
Okay.
go upstairs.
Okay, no problem.
He's fine now.
Okay, upstairs.
He's fine, yes.
Oh, good. That's good.
Now, we have 3 groups, right?
Yes.
3 groups. So for conducive work, I think we might have to break them up. We
Again.
have to include the room upstairs so that the class arrangement might change.
Okay.
So after this now, as in these 2 days now, like you said by Wednesday they're going to present. Is there going to be any lecture in between?
No, that will be next week, Wednesday, not this week. Prof has one presentation
Today.
today.
Okay.
I also have another presentation.
So
So that after break, after the lunch, we'll start something with the experiment.
Beautiful.
So I've already developed the schedule, but Prof needs to correct. Yes,
No,
there was no light in our room this morning, so my laptop went off. So we took off the.
And they didn't switch on the gen?
They didn't switch out till we came back. No.
Oh no, I'm going to call them. What
So-
time was that in the morning? But it was
should
night,
be-
almost throughout the night.
Yeah, it was 9, got to around mid-morning, around 4 thereabouts, went off till this morning, either 3 or 4, till when we left there,
Okay,
there
thank
was
you.
no
Please, when
light.
that happens, always let me know. I'll
No
call
problem,
them.
no
Yes.
problem, no problem. So you are saying we should decentralize them again?
No, maybe I was thinking that because I didn't know you were going to have more presentations.
Yeah, we still have more
I'll
presentation.
talk with the guys
Uh,
like when they are working, some will be upstairs.
Okay, they can group themselves. Okay. No issue. I'm thinking of after lunch, we'll start small thing from here today.
I hope we still have you have enough firepower for them to do
Definitely.
because
We
they
are
are
here.
moving very fast.
We are here. We are here for a purpose.
Okay, good.
We came loaded.
Very good. So that's
Okay.
the director. He's already saying that I should draw up a proposal
Hmm.
because I'm working on the roadmap.
Okay.
Like I said,
Hmm.
if you already have a proposal, please bring it on for
No,
me.
no
I need
problem.
it.
I will talk with Prof. We'll develop it
Let's do
sharp,
it on time.
fast. Everything. We'll send,
Director will
forward it to
come
you.
here very soon.
Okay.
We'll send it here
Okay.
so that we can. In fact, I would have wanted him to be part of this.
Okay, presentation. It's very nice, very interesting. I
You still
know
have something like this, right?
this is the only one for this. The other one now.
Like this one stimulates interest, not just doing too much of
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
So I hope you'll be around when you be doing the next presentation so that you can
Okay.
also talk of the application.
It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
And then this becomes like this beyond here because an extended
Exactly.
research group.
Once they
That's
have a
beyond.
group now,
That's all.
they can move on from there. So we can continue to have more work to do from there.
So now the last thing I want to ask is, accessing some of these journal articles are not always friendly.
Yes, some of them are
So,
password.
is
There's
there
no
a way-
issue. We can access it. We have a collaborator.
Okay.
Any journal you cannot access, just send me the